Hello, fifth graders. Welcome to your second assignment for the week of September 21st. This is your second math assignment, logic links. So I want to introduce you to logic links. We're going to look through the assignment and then I'm going to show you how to do it. So logic links looks like this. You're going to be working with some clues as well as the circles that go with the clues. And I also want to talk about some of the vocabulary that you're going to be seeing when you're working with your logic links. But let's go ahead and read this first, and then we'll talk a little bit more about it. So up here it says use 3 black chips, 2 white chips, 1 orange chip, and 1 yellow chip, along with 1 green chip. So those are the colors of chips or dots that you're going to be using. Okay, so first thing you should always do is read through the clues and then read through them a second time and start placing your dots. So the first clue says the orange chip is directly between the yellow chip and the topmost chip. Now topmost just means that would be this chip here, the topmost. The second clue says the white chips both touch only black chips. And the third clue says the leftmost chip is white. So again, with that vocabulary, leftmost would be this one because that is the leftmost. So let's go back up to the top. Clue number 1, the orange chip is directly between the yellow chip and the topmost chip. So we're going to take our orange chip, and this would be the topmost chip. So let's go ahead and place it right here. For all we know, it could be over here, but I'm going to put it right here for right now. Okay. So again, it says the orange chip is directly between the yellow chip and the topmost. So we know the topmost is here. So we know that we need to move our yellow chip to right here. Okay, now, second clue, the white chips both touch only black chips. So we're going to have to figure out, okay, let's put a black chip here, and we know that only white chips touch black chips. Okay. And right here. So then the third clue, says the leftmost chip is white. So this is our leftmost because it's on the left side, so we're right. We picked the right side for the white chip to go. Now, obviously, there is only one more space for the green chip. So there you have it. We have completed our logic link. All of the circles or dots are according to the clues. Now, for some more vocabulary, you will see the word adjacent in your logic links. Adjacent just means next to. Another word that you're going to see is clockwise. So if you think about a clock, which way would clockwise be going? Clockwise would go right, so along with the clock. Counterclockwise would be going left. So those are some of the vocab words that you will possibly see in your logic links. So that is an example of what your logic links assignments are going to be like. I hope you enjoy and have a good time figuring those out.